Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome to the 15th video of our first chapter, number systems. In the last class we had seen how to represent any decimal number in the form of p by q. Example, we had seen 0.47 bar and how to represent that in the form of p by q. There are some more questions in the textbook. You can try them on your own and then see what answers you will get in the form of p by q. Moving on to the next question in the exercise. The question tells what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of the decimal expansion of 1 by 17. So that means, first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of repeating block. So if I have something like 0.257 and then 257 keeps on repeating like that, 257 will be called as repeating block. And in that repeating block, how many digits do we have? We have 3 digits because 3 digits are repeating themselves again and again. So like that we have to do the division of 1 by 17 and check how many numbers will come in the repeating block. That means how many numbers will repeat themselves again and again. So now what we'll do here is, let us divide 1 by 17. So I'll take 0.0 and I'll make this as 10. But 10 is also not divisible by 17. So I'll take one more 0 and make this as 100. So after making this as 100, I have already written the table of 17 so that it will be easy for us to just copy down the values. So 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51. So I can directly make use of the values. So I'll choose 17 fives are 85 first. 17 fives are 85 and 100 minus 85 will be 50. So then I'll take this as 150 and I can take 17 8s are 136 and 15 minus 136 will be 14 and I can make this as 0 and 140 and again 17 8s are 136 can be taken again, that will be 4 and I'll take it as 0, so this will become 40. I'll take 17 2s are 34 and 40 minus 34 is 6. I'll make it as 60. I'll take 17 3s are 51. So I'll have to keep doing this division until I find that the same digits like 0, 5, 8, 8 again starts. So until then I'll have to keep doing this division. So 17 3s are 51 and 60 minus 51 will be 9. So I'll make it as 0. So 90 again, 17 5s are 85. And 90 minus 85 will be 5, so this will become 50. 17 2s are 34 and that will become 16. 50 minus 34 is 16. Now I'll take 0 and that will become 160. Closest to 160 is 153. 17 9s are 153 and 160 minus 153 is 7. Therefore that becomes 70. 74s are 68 and 70 minus 68 is 2. Okay, so my division is not yet over but the board is almost complete. I'll make it as 20. I'll complete it here. So I have got 20. I'll continue here but my division, you can also do it in single page if you want. So 17 ones are 17 can be taken. So this is the same continuation from here. 20 minus 17 is 3. So that becomes 30. Again 17 ones are 17 can be taken. 30 minus 17 will be 13. Okay, I can take 0 and 130. Closest to that will be 17 sevens are 119, that will be 130 minus 119 will be 11. Now closest to that will be 6. 17 6s are 102, that will be 8. 0. 17 4s are 68. 80 minus 68. 80 minus 68 is 12, 120, 17 sevens are 119 and that will be 1. Okay, so I'll take 0, but 10 will not come in the table of 70, so I'll take one more 0 and make it as 100. Oh, okay, so the same type is again getting repeated. So 17 5s are 85 and 100 minus 85 will be 15, and the division continues. That means, so okay, from up to here, these are the numbers 0, 5, 8, 8, 2, 3, 5, 2, 9, 4, 1, 1, 7, 6, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These 16 numbers will be called as repeating block. Again, if you see, and I would actually want you to continue and try it out for yourself. Again, if you continue the division from here, you will definitely find that 0, 5, 8, 8, 2, 3, 5, 2, 9, 4, 1, 1, 7, 6, 4, 7. This entire set will get repeated again. Okay, so the answer is, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block? How many digits are there in the repeating block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 digits in the repeating block. So at the end you should write the repeating block is, you will write this much, and you will write there are 16 digits in the repeating block. I hope you have understood this problem. I know it's quite a bit longer, but I think you'll have to do it continuously so that you know how many numbers are getting repeated in the digit. In the repeated block, digits are getting repeated in the this repeating block. So once this is completed, please write down the repeating block at the end and write how many digits are there in this repeating block. Okay, and with the same thing, please try for something like 2. We had 1 by 17. Try for 2 by 19. This will be your homework question. So do the division of 2 by 19 and check out how many digits will come in the repeating block. And if there are no digits coming in the repeating block, also no problem. Just try the division of 2 by 19. I'm not telling that this will have repeating digits, but if it is coming, then you should say how many digits are getting repeated. And if the digits are not getting repeated after many steps also, then you can stop it. So just try it so that you can have some idea about how this question is done. We'll continue with the problems in the next class, and please let me know if there are any doubts.